everyone, and welcome to Wallie's World of Toys. If you're new, thank you so much for being here. Please remember to hit that red subscribe button down below and to turn on the gray notification bell next to it so you won't miss any videos. Happy holidays if you celebrate Christmas. Happy Christmas Eve. Today is going to be a special Christmas edition. I will be opening Animal Jam, Series 3 Cupcake Adopt a Pet Huts. I have 6 of them to open today. But before we get started, I have to give a humongous shout out to Cheap&Nerdy, who sent me everything that you see in today's video, plus some other toys that you will see me open in other videos. So Brittany and Brian from Cheap&Nerdy, I can't thank you enough for helping me out with my channel and for sending me all of these amazing toys. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off today with this purple and white Cupcake Hut. Inside we get 1 pet, 1 accessory, 1 checklist, and 1 game code, because this is an online game that you can play. I don't play the game online, but maybe some of you guys do. If so, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you enjoy it. The packaging on here is very cute. You can see there's like a little ladybug or something on the front door. And it just twists off. We're going to look at our checklist really fast. This is the Adoption Series 3 Cupcakes checklist. There are over 108 pets to adopt in this series, which is a lot. So here you can see that this is a very, very large checklist. And there's more in the back. So for a rare, there's a leaf next to it. For a star, it's a gem. For a diamond, it's a diamond. And for the star, it's an ultra rare. Let's see who we get. So this is so cute. I'm not quite sure what it is at the moment, but we will find out. This is a common, and it's a glimmer plum. And they come with a little tiny accessory. So this is a donut, it looks like. And they all have a little hole somewhere on their body. And this has a little peg on it that you can stick in the hole. So he's carrying around his donut with him. And then there's also a little game code. And it's a polar bear, apparently. And it says, "Did you know polar bears are marine mammals, and they're sometimes called sea bears?" I really, really like that they included the little fact. And these are actually in association with National Geographic. That's really cool. Let's move on to our next hut. It's this white roofed hut with a pink base. So we already have the checklist, so we don't need that. Here is the little creature we got. It's like translucent green. And this is a dainty lady, is what it's called, and it's a crystal one. And it says, "Did you know ladybugs beat their wings about 85 times per second when flying?" This little ladybug comes with its wings. All right, moving on. Here is our animal, and look, its little horns are like glittery. And this is called a glimmer drop, and it says, many breeds of goats have horns that can be curved or corkscrew shaped. And its little accessory is a camera. He's vlogging. There he is with the little camera on. Okay, moving on. Here is our animal. And this is called a Glimmer Time. It says, did you know even tigers' stripes are one of a kind, just like fingerprints? And he comes with a cupcake. Next up, here is our little animal. I think it's a hippo. Look at its little teeth. And sure enough, it's a hippo. Its name is Green Plum. It says, did you know hippos spend most of their days in water? And the hippo comes with a candle, it looks to be. Our very last hut for today's video. And it looks like we got a bat. Its name is Bright Drops. It says, did you know a group of roosting or resting bats is called a colony? And he comes with a little ice cream cone. Okay guys, that's all of our animals for today's video. If you haven't already, please make sure to go over to Cheap&Nerdy's channel and show them support. They are amazing people and they really deserve it. Also, make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite animal is that I opened today. I think my favorite was the first one that we opened today, which is the polar bear. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye!